Hi, 2.5 years ago I created this dashboard, a cycling statistics dashboard with my own statistics from the Strava app or API. And it would automatically update every hour and show every time when I got back from a ride what the new total of statistics this year and in this month was. Unfortunately, after a couple of months it wouldn't work anymore. They changed something in the API and I had to manually get refresh tokens and didn't know how to solve this. But I'm happy to say this is now solved because Strava has come with a Python package called Stravalib, and it makes programming against the Strava API a lot easier. For example, you no longer need to pick the correct URL. You can just create a Strava client in Python. Of course, you still need a client ID and a client secret and an athlete ID. That information always on the website how to do that. And you can just say, update my statistics, and it will do a lot of stuff in the background for you. So this is really cool. I'm really happy about that. So now I'm happy to say this thing is automatically updating again. Of course, I did a little bit clicking there, but it can totally update on itself every full hour. So I'm really happy that this is now back on the menu. Also, when I saw that this was possible, I changed my Python code to make things a little bit better as well. So it now just not only works on this Pimoroni 5.7 inch display, but also on this 7.3 inch display. This works on a Raspberry Pi 4, but this is a Raspberry Pi 02. Also, I've heard there's now a 13.3 inch or a 33 centimeter wide display. So imagine this, but then almost twice as big. I can't wait to get one. Unfortunately, they're now currently out of stock, but I will quietly wait to get one next time. So the Python code is online on GitHub. You can definitely download it from there. How you create this one yourself. So you need a Raspberry Pi. You need to click it on the e-ink display. This is not the hard part, I think. There's some stuff you need to know. There's some IT, more tech stuff that you need to know how to do. You can get the codes from GitHub, install Python, and get this working, hopefully. I am still looking for ways to make this a little bit easier. Not there yet. If you have any tips and tricks for me, let me know. Then I will happily implement that. So that is my happy return of the automatically refreshing cycling display. Thank you for watching and see you next time.